Welcome to Ekal Bharat. I am Ishani and you are watching Weekly Highlights. Today's first news is an important Memorandum of Understanding was signed between Ekal Gramothan Foundation and Indira Gandhi National Tribal University. The objective of this MOU is to promote skill development, higher education, employment-oriented training, health, nutrition and social upliftment for tribal communities. On this occasion, Dr. Aradhana Sharma, Kumar Bhaskar Sharma, Ashwini Kumar and Himanshu Mehra were present on behalf of the Ekal Gramothan Foundation. Dr. Lalan Kumar Sharma, Sunil Agrawal and other senior members joined online. Dr. Vikas Singh and his team participated from the university. This partnership will open new doors of education and self-reliance for millions of tribal youth. Second news. A grand event, Holi Ke Rang Shri Hari Ke Sang, was organized under the annual festival of Ekal Shri Hari Vanvasi Vikas Trust in Surat. Over 5,000 people attended this program, organized at Jamna Party Hall, Vesu, on 2nd March 2025. Famous folk singer Sanjay Mukundgarh enthralled the audience with Rajasthani folk songs. Many national and local level officials were present in the program and shared in details the role of Ekal Shri Hari in developing rural society. Third news. On February 22, 2025, Ekal Shri Hari Mandir Rath was given a grand welcome in Haungtali Tea Garden in Joharat division of Assam. The villagers decorated the chariot with floral garlands and banana tree leaves and duly worshipped it. After this, Ganesh Puja and Gram Devta Puja were done by the people. All the villagers took the blessings of Lord Krishna. With this event, Shri Hari Mandir Rath has become a great source of faith in the tribal society of Assam. Fourth news. Ekal Shri Hari Vanvasi Vikas Trust will organize a 5-day Ram Katha in Chhindwara from June 7 to June 12, 2025. This decision was taken in a meeting held at the local Balaji Plaza during the visit of Shri Makhan Kishore Goyalji. This story will specially conducted by those storytellers who themselves are from Vanvasi community and have been trained in Ayodhya and Vrindavan. Senior officials of Ekal Abhiyan and local dignitaries will participate in this event. Fifth news. On 24th February 2025, a tailoring sub-center was inaugurated under the Ekal Gramothan Foundation in Hunde village, Mysuru, Karnataka. The objective of this center is to make rural women self-reliant by giving them sewing training. On the occasion of the inauguration, Ekal Anchal Samiti Vice President Mr. Kunte Gaudru, State Coordinator Mr. Govind Kiran, San Samiti President Mr. Madhaveppa, Women's Committee members, trainers and rural women were present. Everyone discussed the opportunities for self-employment from this training. Sixth news. On March 2, 2025, the youth team of Vanbandhu Parishad Bhopal chapter inaugurated the library at GRC Center. The library was inaugurated with the offerings of flowers at the feet of Bharat Mata and Saraswati Mata, lighting of lamps and chanting of mantras. After this, the team visited the WEC Sewing Center and interacted with the students. A school visit was also made in village Churnu and Mahavendragadi. Many members and acharyas including the president, secretary and treasurer of the council present in this event. Seventh news. On March 5, 2025, two satellite centers, Dab Jagir and Dunde were inaugurated under WEC Dadoa. On this occasion, Anchal Abhiyan Pramukh, Sanj Pramukh, master trainer and local villagers were present. The villagers and trainers were informed about Ekal Abhiyan and Ekal Gramothan Yojana and were explained how through these centers the women of the villages will be taken forward towards self-employment and empowerment. 8th news. Bharat Lok Shiksha Parishad North Delhi Chapter Women's Department organized a Sakhi Milan program at Khatu Shyam, Delhi Dham on 17th February 2025. About 40 women participated in it under the leadership of Mrs. Manju Gupta. In this program, women visited Khatu Shyamji, enjoyed dance and songs and got information about the Ekal campaign. Srimati Sadhana Gupta appealed to everyone to join and support Ekal, on which funds were also received for 2 Ekal schools. Many women also took a pledge to join Ekal in the future. That's all for today. Keep watching Ekal Bharat.